Tell us about your company's products and services.
Well, our products are mainly based on providing environmental solutions to companies. What we are showcasing at Electra Mining this year is a number of new products, and namely the first one is a retractable stockpile dust ring. It's a product we've developed in conjunction with some of our clients, where most of the dust generated in plants are based on stockpiles, and we've developed a ring with spray nozzles that you can use around your stockpiles, and it prevents a lot of the dust within the plant areas. The technology, the spray technology, or the nozzles are from a company called Telesto in Poland, but we've called it modernized it to apply it to our local clients. Some other products we also have is our rotor packs. It's the fire misting technology that we're introducing. So we're the first company locally that produces a fire extinguisher that uses water as a agent to suppress fires. And then lastly, we have the IVAP 500, which is a evaporation unit for wastewater, mine wastewater. So it's got the capability of evaporating about 5,000 cubes of water per 12-hour shift at about 60 to 65 percentage evaporation in that period of time. So a lot of the mine dewatering projects where they have a problem with acid mine water, they use this to actually evaporate those waters and manage the dam levels.
And what are the applications?
Well, as I said, main applications, it depends on the division. So we have 4 divisions within the company. Our call it our core division is the road dust control. So where we have a number of standard products that are known to the industry. RDC20, we've got green grip and green bit, used for dust suppression on mainly mining roads. You can use it in other applications as well, but we found that our biggest clients are the mines. In the fire division, as I said, we've introduced this new T-rotor technology in terms of the misting of the nozzles, and that's used in handheld fire extinguishers. We've got fixed systems, mainly at the moment used on tipping points for conveyor belts, as well as vehicle systems. So we install the suppression systems on vehicles, protect engine bays, tires, and so forth. We're also looking into installing it within the military environment, within military vehicles, to protect fires on the inside as well as the outside of the vehicles.
Okay. What makes your product unique?
Well, the company slogan is change that doesn't cost the earth. So as we move into a new era in terms of protecting our earth and our resources for the future, we base our technology on solutions that's not going to cause harm to the environment. And that's the motto we live by in all the products that we introduce to the environment. And I think that's what makes us unique as a company, and our products as well.
Where was the products developed?
90% of our products are developed locally within South Africa. In certain instances, we make use of existing technologies that are available in the market, but we tailor-make the solutions together with locally developed technologies to supply our clients with solutions to sort out their own call it challenges that they have in the market. So yes, they are locally produced solutions and products that are manufactured in South Africa.
Has it been imported or manufactured locally?
As I said, all our products are manufactured locally. There's a small percentage, like I would say 10% of our components that we do import, but 90% of the components are either manufactured locally and assembled locally. And that's what we pride ourselves in, as being, call it, a truly South African-based company.
On which project, if any, has the product been successfully used?
Yeah, there's too many to mention. But from a misting technology point of view, we've recently installed a complete misting system on a Beersoek Assmang's Beersoek mine in the Northern Cape. We're busy installing the retractable stockpile dust ring at Roshpina mine in Namibia. We've installed it in a mine in Australia. The fire solutions, the vehicle protection systems we've installed in a number of vehicles that's been used in industry for fire protection. So yeah, there's quite a lot, not that many that I can mention by name now, but it's quite well known within the industry.
Is it exportable?
Yes, definitely. We have sister companies in which ICAT South Africa either holds between 25 and 50% shareholding. So we've established a company in Botswana. So we have ICAT Botswana, we have ICAT Zambia. We're busy establishing ICAT in Lesotho. We've got ICAT in Australia, as well as a number of agents that operate within the DRC, the Congo, Guinea. Throughout Africa, we've done work in almost all the SADC countries.
Can you share the background on the company marketing of the products?
Our company is the business model is based on establishing agents who do the actual, call it, operational type of work. So they do the work on the ground, where we focus on technology and developing new technologies and solutions. But we also quite a way of building our brand. So ICAT puts a big emphasis on brand building, because we believe people buy brands. But to be able to have a good brand, we need to work on our service and the quality of product that we get out there. So that's what we focus on. We focus on providing good quality products, providing good services to our client, and we believe that in doing so we'll be able to build the ICAT brand, so that in future, people insist on buying ICAT product because they relate the product or the brand to the product and the quality thereof.
Is there anything that you'd like to add?
Yeah, I think we're a company that's established for 10 years within South Africa, and we've made quite significant inroads into the market. We feel that we are agile, we are capable, and we'd like to grow the business to greater heights. But in doing so, we've embraced the South African model in terms of developing smaller companies. We have a number of smaller enterprise development initiatives in many of our local towns, where we've adopted local businesses and empowered them to be able to do the work and offer the services that we have. And we trust that in a number of years these companies will be sustainable and profitable in their own rights, and so creating jobs and adding to the South African economy.